Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.